They say that money can't buy love. Which is good, because I don't have any. Still, February 14th is not the day to show up empty-handed. Luckily, there are lots of ways to impress someone on the cheap. Now we show our staff's favorite budget-friendly Valentine's Day gifts for friends, lovers, and loved ones, at prices that you'll love. Number 1, Biz Large Travel Bento Box. Users said, "Wow! These are amazing. I was looking for lunch boxes that would be easy to open and hold a good amount of food. This year I need to send lunch and snacks, and these are big enough to hold both. And easy enough for a 4-year-old to open and close by herself. Other lunchboxes have been hard to open, close, and so we cannot send her with them. This is definitely a winner. They fit exactly into a lunchbox, and I love that the cover is attached to the base, so that it will not be lost. Check video description to get more details." Number 2, Cubeware Bento Box. Users said, "I bought these for food savers, lunch containers etc. because the more expensive ones discolor and get lost. These are a lot for the price. They are not as sturdy as Rubbermaid, but I will not be upset if they are lost. Or forgotten. Or not returned. I love them." Check video description to get more details. Number 3, Enther Meal Prep Containers. User said, "I bought a 12-pack of these containers because I wanted a way to bring lunch to work without having to carry multiple containers, and without mixing flavors for different foods. Having used about half of the pack already, here are some of my initial thoughts. Pros. 1. The containers have very deep pockets, pouches. This allows you to carry a fairly substantial amount of food. 2. Of the half dozen or so containers that I've used thus far, there is a general consistency. 3. This is perfect for both Western and Asian-style lunches, with the ability to hold one main course and 2 sides. 4. As you can see from the picture, the container is not too large that you would have trouble eating at your desk. Cons. 1. While the corners clasp on fairly tight. 2. Perhaps somewhat expected of a plastic container, but exacerbated by the deep pockets, these can be a pain to wash if you are storing oily foods. All in all, I would gladly use and reuse these containers when I bring lunch to work. It checks the boxes on what I look for, must hold a lot of food and keep foods separate, while I can get comfortable with some of the drawbacks. Recommend. Check video description box. We provide all the Amazon product links. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.